Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive, one of the most popular tools for storing, sharing, and collaborating files online. Whether you're new to it or just want to learn a few tips and tricks, this video is for you. First things first, what is Google Drive? It's a cloud storage service that lets you save files online and access them from any device. Plus, it's completely free for up to 15 gig of storage. To get started, all you need is a Google account. If you don't have one, head to accounts.google.com to sign up. On google.com, go ahead and hit on this button, the left side of your profile icon at the top right, and under it, you'll be able to find Google services. So click on the Drive button, and that will redirect you into Google Drive. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard where all your files and folders are stored. Now, at the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find this plus icon. So this will allow you to create a new folder, upload a file, scan a file, create a new Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides. So you just need to basically click on the specific action that you want to do. If you want to stay organized, you can select the folders tab and upload the files that you want to save there. Now at your sidebar, you can also find the shared section or shared tab. This is where you can actually find all of the files shared with you. You can also find in here the Stored tab, and here you'll be able to find all of your favorites or stored files. Now at the home section, you'll be able to find recently uploaded files on your Google Drive account. And that's it. Google Drive is a powerful tool that can simplify your digital life. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.